Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Akurede Stella, and today I'm teaching you how to pay sellers on 1688 or Taobao if you don't have your Alipay verified. Like there are some people that does not have the international passport to verify their Alipay, or they don't have someone that will give them the international passport to verify their Alipay. So this method I'm going to show you is a method where you can actually buy from 1688 without the Alipay. There's another method already uploaded in my YouTube channel. You can check it out. There are two methods. This is the second method I'm about to show you right now. All right, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can see more videos like this one. Okay, so this is the profile page of the person I want to make payment for, since she does not have a way to verify her account. So these are the things that she has already added to her carts, and they are ready to be paid for. All right, see them. These are the things that she already ordered. Put in her cart that are ready to be paid for. So she want me to buy the sneakers for her for now. So she want me to pay for the sneakers for her for now, and she already collected the payment details from the seller. So I'll go to her message now and check the conversation that she had with the this particular seller to copy her payment details so I can make the payment for her from my own Alipay. So this is the message, yeah, and this is the scan code. She gave her scan code instead of number, which is still okay. So I'm going to copy or save this scan code to my gallery, and I'm going to make the payment for her. Okay, so I'm into Alipay now. I'm scanning the code already, and that is the amount we are supposed to. I'm going to write the amount that we are supposed to pay, 62.50. I'll go back again to confirm that it is 62.50 I'm supposed to pay. So I tap on pay. I'll confirm payment, and it's done. So I'll screenshot the receipt and send it back to the seller so that she will be able to activate that order. So I'll go into my gallery again and send the screenshots to the seller. That's the receipt to the seller. And after that, I will try to send a message to her so that she can be fast about it. Yeah, she's responding already. Okay. I've sent message to her to be fast about it so that she will send her tracking number immediately. That is how to make payments if you are unable to verify your account, your Alipay account. Like maybe you don't have your international passport, you can let your agent make payment for you like this. But please, before you do this, you have to make sure that the seller you are buying from is verified. Like you have to go through every details you are supposed to go through to avoid scam. Though whenever I want to buy for my client, I always check the profile, the details I'm supposed to check before making payments. If you have urgent questions or you want me to teach you more about China importation, my WhatsApp contact is on the screen. You can chat me up on WhatsApp or drop a comment under this video. I'll teach you everything you need to know. I'll respond to you as soon as I see it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Let's meet again in my next video. All right, bye.